All right, everyone, happy Friday. Good to be here again. It's another beautiful day. It's getting cooler. You can always see what episode you're on based on the weather that is announced here every Friday that we talk about this. Anyway, it's good to have you. I'm back. I'm proudly wearing my Arlington Memorial Cemetery shirt that we wore. Nancy put this together from NAFCA. So yeah, it was great. The fence went in 330 feet worth of 8-foot high ornamental fence. We thank our donors who provided the fence for us, the actual hardware, and we had plenty of volunteers. We got it all done, I think, by about 1,600 hours. So we started at 7:30. So it was a real good day, and weather was perfect, so everything went as planned. So that's kind of nice when all of that can gel together. It was a different process. This for 3-inch commercial fence to be installed with a no-dig situation. It's the first time most of us had tried this, but it was certainly less messy. Didn't have to haul around concrete as well. We needed some special inserts that were made, so it was kind of a whole new process, but we got through it, and I think it went really well. We always love to give back. It's a wonderful place to go to. It really is pretty incredible to be amongst a bunch of volunteers who are working for the betterment of those families who have given so much. We had our AGM last Thursday, and it was a really good meeting. It was nice. I served as president for 4 years on NAFCA, and my term is coming to an end in December, so it was kind of a send-off as well. There's a real honor to be a part of that association, and I'm still a part of that association. Just won't be acting as president. Part of our bylaws have terms. So those terms come up for me 6 years on the board. We have 1 year off, and then we can get back on the board later. But NAFCA has a real open policy. If you ever want to join a regular board meeting, any member can sit in and listen to what's happening during those meetings. There's 9 members on the board, so it's a real great environment to be in, with people who are genuinely interested in the community, the fence building community, and helping others. As that's our new mission, is to work with organizations and individuals to be able to better their environment by potentially helping them with a new fence project. So if you have an organization, or you have individuals, or you have someone you think is in need of a fence, reach out to NAFCA and put in a proposal that would allow us to review it and see if we can't help you in that endeavor, in that project. So that's all the report for our NAFCA meeting last week and the Arlington project. And to find out about more projects and opportunities to help, check out the website in the comments below, or down the bottom of the screen here, fornafca.com. The website is informative, and you'll be able to become a member there as well if you want to help the organization to continue to grow and give back to others. Please like and subscribe. It's really nice to have you and join us on Fridays. I wish I could see you, but I know many of you leave comments, whether they're emojis or not. Don't feel shy. If you have some questions, you have ideas, we always have people looking at the comments. We'll look forward to seeing you next Friday.